Did you know that you can use shortcuts on YouTube? Yes, you get that right. You can use various keys on your keyboard to do quite a lot of things on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and see all those YouTube shortcuts so that you can start using YouTube like a pro, right? So what do you want to do? Just simply head over to YouTube, guys. And once you're inside YouTube, you want to click on your profile on the uppermost right hand side. So you want to ensure that you're signed in. Then once you click on that, you will find from the many options here at the bottom, keyboard shortcuts. Now once you click on that, you will see all those different keyboard shortcuts that you can use on YouTube. So you can find keyboard shortcuts for playback, you can find it for subtitles and closed caption, you can find it for videos here, and you can also find some general shortcuts here. So you can go ahead and you can start, guys, by looking at these shortcuts, try to remember them and utilize them so that you can use YouTube like a pro.